This is super huge. Oh my gosh. I just received this just now. This was supposed to come yesterday, but I don't know, they have a little issues.
And you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So please do wait to join the family, like, subscribe to my channel. In this channel I basically do lifestyle, cooking, unboxing, chit chat and lots more. So do wait to subscribe. I hope you are going to have fun here. So guys, I can't wait to like dig in, like to see what I have in here. Like, it's a big box as you guys can see, and it's from Asos. Guys, I'm really getting a lot of stuff this sales time because I need stuff. So, and the best time to get stuff is during the sales, because if you ask me, that's when you save a lot more, because it's super affordable. Like Asos, everything I got was like 50-60%, and after everything you get another, I think they gave me 15% again when I got something that is more than I think maybe 90 euros. Yeah, I got another 15%, which was really cool. So everything here is super affordable, and I'll be leaving the price on the screen for you guys. And I'm going to be doing a try on haul, because I also got some things in my last video, so I'm going to be trying them all in another video for you guys, because I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, let's just dive into the box, because I know you guys can't wait to dive in with me. Allez! Asos sales are really, like, that's the real sales guys. 50%, even 70%. They have some stuff that are 70%. Okay, just take a look at that. Yeah, they even put a bag for me. I have a free bag. Oh, this is super cool. Guys, this is a jacket. Yeah, this is my second time ordering this jacket. I ordered it the first time it came, but the shop that they left it, because I was not at home when they delivered it, so they left it in a shop, but I went there and the shop was closed. Yeah, this is a jacket. It's super cute. This is a dress, like a shirt dress or a sweater dress. This look kind of big though. Look kind of big. I don't know. I think it's an oversized dress. It's super cute. And it's super soft. Wow, I got quite a lot of stuff. I'm super excited guys, because these are things that I really need. I didn't just get them because it says. I got them because I really need them though. Yeah, this is another sweater dress. Yeah, I love the back of those dresses. Oh my gosh. It kind of also look big. It's size 38, but I don't know why it look big though. I don't know. So this is a crop top. This crop top was super affordable. I kind of took it because of the price. Have you ever bought something because of the price? Let me know in the comment section. It's a crop top. Wow, this is super cute. The rod's new. Is it new? Okay, Newport. I wanted to say New York. Newport. It's super cute. I like a crop top that are not tight. They just be free and just on top of your trouser. So guys, this one, where is this? Okay, this one is a pants that I got. This is super cute. and it kind of have this tearing here. Look at it, it's beautiful. I can't wait to try on all this for you guys. I can't wait. It's super cute, and I like the color. I don't have anything that have this color, I don't think so. So guys, I also got this shoe. Take a look at that. Okay, this shoe is kind of okay, let me see. Okay, size 11. Okay, this is 42. I got 42 because I got a lot of review that you have to take maybe 1 or 2 size up because the shoe is small. I don't know, the shoe is really cute, guys. The shoe is cute, super cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. I hope it size me, because if not, I'm going to return it and take a bigger size. It look kind of small though. What do you guys think? Look at that. Wow, this is cute. Look at that, super cute. Yeah, I took another shoe. Yeah, wow, look at this shoe, guys. You guys will don't believe how much this shoe costs. I actually bought this shoe because of the price. Oh my god, just take a look. I was not expecting this quality, guys. I was just expecting just a simple shoe that I'll just wear and maybe go out, pick the kids from school. But take a look at that. This shoe is super gorgeous. Just take a look at that. And I took it in size 40. Yeah, I think this one is true to size, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, I took this bag. I don't know, it's kind of small though. You guys know I'm a fan of a small bag. It's super small. It's super small. It's just those bags that you put your phone, you put your tissue paper, and you're good to go. Yeah, it's super cute though. So guys, what else do we have? Yeah, this is a crop top. Yeah, it's like a blouse. Yeah, look. Oh, I think it's kind of short though. Okay, it's not that short. Okay, because I don't really like crop top that you have to be seeing your tummy. You know, I just like crop top that sits on top of your high-waisted trouser. You know what I mean? So this is super cute, and I love the color. I have a thing for this color. So guys, okay, the next one is this sandals. Yeah, you guys saw these sandals already in my other. Yeah, this is not for me. So guys, there is something in the carton, I don't know. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So guys, I don't know why I got myself a glass. I have a lot of glasses, but I just thought this one was cute. Just thought it was cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is really cute. Ah, it's shoe. I have a shoe inside the sauce. Yeah, this is it. You know guys, I got this white I got the white shoe and this one because I actually wanted to choose, but the way I'm seeing the two shoes, that they are super cute. Okay, I have to try them on and see the one I'm going to be picking, or I might just end up keeping both of them. I don't really know. I don't really know. Look at that. This shoe is super cute. super cute. So guys, this video is getting too long. I don't want it to be too long. Thank you guys for watching, and don't worry, the next video is going to be the try on haul. Like, I'm going to be trying everything I got. Yeah, I also have some few stuff that I got from Asian Hem. I don't know, maybe that will be in a separate video, or I might just end up doing the all together. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao ciao, bye, and please subscribe if you're just seeing this face for the first time. Ciao ciao, bye guys.